Want a sleek logo but don't have $500 to hire a pro? What if AI could design it for you in under a minute? Today, we're putting 3 AI logo makers to the test: Canva, RenderForest, and TurboLogo, to see if they can beat a real human designer. Hey, I'm Emily, and this is AIChief, where we pit today's tools against yesterday's pros. Let's find out which AI, if any, deserves your brand. What are these AI logo makers? All 3 tools work the same way. Type in your brand name, add a short description, choose a vibe or style. Let's break them down. Canva, part of Magic Studio. Clean UI, lots of font pairings. RenderForest, includes branding kits, animation support. TurboLogo, fastest of the 3. Tons of icon options. They all generate logos in seconds. But are they any good? For example, AI versus human logo. I gave all 3 tools and a freelance designer the same prompt. A bold, modern logo for a tech startup called ByteNest. Canva, balanced layout. Clean type, generic icon. RenderForest, great mockups, cohesive color scheme, weak font choices. TurboLogo, tons of icon variations, super fast, inconsistent spacing. Human version, unique symbol, tailored typography design with meaning, but it took 4 days and $180 cost. Design depth and control AI tools let you tweak elements, but you're still stuck with presets. Designers think in terms of strategy. AI just picks based on trends. Still, for a quick logo, these tools are crazy efficient. So can AI beat a human designer? For speed and budget, absolutely. For originality and storytelling, not yet. So if you're launching fast, these tools get the job done. Which one would you use? Comment below, like the vid, and subscribe for more sharp AI reviews from AIChief.